Welcome to MEISUM Awon.
Thank you. I'm very happy to be here.
Pleasure to have you here in MEISUM. Awon are Vashum. Instagram live more Awon this a day, and she's the person behind many beautiful brides and bridegroom in the wedding. Yes, she earlier worked in Jabong, Amazon, and Flipkart. She's now full-time makeup artist based in Imphal. She has worked in many designers and fashion shooting, including Lulu and Sky. Famous Indian designer Tarun Tehiliani, and also Contributor magazine. And she also had done a shoot with an influencer for Gucci. So that's a big thing. As I said, she has also worked in many movies projects and then fashion house based in Imphal, and most recently for the one and only Mapaluilu. The first question is Tanghunau being the dignity of labor. All the more makeup artists katahili kichibava the itum the ahuili sazil ga oram ngthumi kichibahi the ngalang the question kasale. So tell us about your struggle and how you reached to this point.
Well, tada mi ari ami nakhang tada mi jungha jar kasale ji tada mai tada chitha leka ya ka you wang la hang logica. Every job, whether big or small, is a respectable job. Yeah. First of all, che hangai laga in ari in a sadakle feel he makeup beauty industry, fashion industry wak sadakle na. Jena ari we Shimkur parents, we loved ones being very supportive, 100% very supportive in Shanghai Jili. Laga hanglak logica ari the beauty and fashion industry have growth like by luck hai the young personal growth lila industry ahne. It's a very booming industry. Jena ji atam we like sanga t-shirt it follow sala papa ya laga hand fashion na hand in hand cuz kile industry ne beauty here it arriva wedding saruno any party or function saruno kipa hamam tha hai lum lai ne jit la ya tada khar now awo saruno ai saruno na meeting now vara function now vara jiga lipstick kajal now that they is like everyone wants to look good. So tada you wang iwi ot kasa tada ira interest la yaw kita iwi pai ta hai tada
ka inang han hai ba kachung mi kachung ka tada thai ka kui khalai jirali or kachung kana balance na sa khar jirali ili ra laga og thui ring ka pa lum khlaw li sa thai da tada hiwi pangai na mangam wa khar kala hiwangai na mina bichar ka sa kajipa hiwi bang da how is your take, what is your take on this one?
Chief the kajijan oddly dedication passion layauga na resangai da claim da mrak live masak hanji masamria sak hanji live ya the fashion beauty sauki da mrak live events thala attend sala important sabapa me jena I think like chiva the personal issues dedication lay like you can't be half-hearted. No, we oddly you have to fully give it. No, we want I don't think we should, enter into that zone.
Yeah.
Talagay na sa hawaping passion lagay na sa bara jika interest kali atong nilay baba may hiba.
Yes. You have done a lot. For us, your resume, like it is really good now, and you have come to a certain level where if you look back, what do you think is your big break?
Big break is in a big break he got directly in a deal make how let me tell my struggles and story behind all this. Ja gani je khain na the interest le phalung ji ne the hitawi kile line hilia laga kha hanglak logic gani je khain na the deal make sa bai laga parents we in the sahai ke only very supportive ne ka career guidance si cha hamle thuai de cha tam nia ta itum la exposure himle sa thu la hi hada otpam sa pai hi hada earn sa pai the chiwi kile jilam mle mathai thangmai sa thu jengna isi parents na thada hada sawalo doctor engineer meaning la otpam ma khangwa thasitla sangat ba thada itum ma kya ko school li la ko curricular activities hi teu now they the create because national bingli ko curricular activities hi kachung hi na kile talent na phakri pai me ya thada like mang na meaning ni la yes education is a must ya chungmai tamkhui exposure lai mai thai thang mai khui thai thang mai babam mai ka chata sada if interest claim na sort now bingli shakazawi officially meaning ko yang ka tada shakazawi or tada fashion show now le tika tada ina sami zat laga tada le saji ne but I didn't know this was going to be my job tada out of interest tada sami zat chini laga otherwise I'm actually MSc postgraduate in microbiology. That's my favorite subject. I still love microbiology, but arriva thada in a gang thada tam jume tam kamaman thai maman laga hi hada otpam langawai ji thayau ki da I chose beauty industry as my career. The makeup here the iwi career thada choose sa khoi laga arriva cha thada 2014 ni shakza laga Delhi ka gabam jine jiva Delhi ka gabam tharan kile yung sot now akha par name hoda musila khai the junior high school our modeling agency li jang sajila then atum the models li handle sa da hi the foreign models mang Russia Ukraine Brazil jena atum ju agency li jangau ki da ana hoji dala jena it is thada interest kaleji the sathai ni kle thada che are officially hopo khai ne ana jena I thada vasami da ngwaji vasami laga are by the time photographers khala thing sa photographers kha ka phau no bing le thing sa the if thada freelance lang da sapo khai ne katam lam tam phim ne ya I did not go to any makeup school. I self-learned. The chithau with I really put in my hard work to the yating li the YouTube channel le tamkhui senior sort now that he tha otpam ka sa now khani thu thegam sweeping li le teu me khang han khui but the ikla the effort ni laga tamkhui sini je jena tamkhui man laga riv cha the Moksha production house ta hale saye Moksha production house it's like a very big production house Jabungbashi Flipkart tha laga website khamtha kachung ka big brands production we or khante company we chili shoot saye issue we production house chili job apply sa the wazang jine yung sa no ba jin refer sa mi laga Jena chili waga sang atamli ayo ita I struggle na kile jiga thanga mi le kangan thata if tamlo matam kui du ida certificate masing bene jitla laga mi li thata sami zat maman ka thata shokra sani kle clients we satisfaction or atumi demand deliver masami learning kle gi we fear la chung khale saya Come mahila kai na ina kang thada I ot teu me thada freelance sarai da you so now bajin la you for some you one laga thada chung khana the ninjangda thada sami maman laga I already collected a lot of pictures in portfolio hi chung shemar sajidla general production house pasijina ili thada interview ralo da ko tam tharan aram certificate ha po ga kachili tam khui dang han ka khi hang chik yang struggle la sajine je it was very challenging for me ja tam ni but luckily ashina issue certified salaga ma hard work mag sabi ba meaning jang ni we want skillful ones and we really love your work no email li send sa mi share hai ni in a portfolio binje we really love your work can you join today aju evening join us how lo tara hang jitla jena chada tam ka chali sa khui laga chili join sa jena moksha production house li gazangai na ariva it meet yo khawati la chili senior chung kha employees le ya stylist ngate model ngate makeup department te da TV makeup with seniors ping chung le de it meet yo me kha guide sa mi mama it me khawati jada iwa chili ka chung ka tam khui laga Flipkart chikha ka platform li la khangde lulu and sky da ja thum hada khamtha laga so many brands I got to work with them jena ariwa chi company ping na athumi private shoot sara jiga athumi website khangde de wang ithumli the private and ho the jada wasama laga it really boosts my confidence up that was my big break I must say
that's amazing self-taught sakui laga jida gsagji hi I mean that's really amazing ka in the long run na ubkaitili or later did you enroll for a course and you have a certificate now
I enroll masar ne isa say the penning side but I never got the chance to enroll also Ochi had a direct hapo mama na the army production house chili kum kathum direct had a saba man kaine like a chiva khangja office ka had a young normal office ka had a jena shim arriva infali 2018 li umpam kaine then 2018 li ungpa matam tharan paula khai Dr. Modubala da ahlaye pite now ne skin we young doctor Jena ahi own laser beauty clinic ahlaye nena isawa long la athumni themi si sada laga ahi with dedication passion hi thai jidala Dr. Modubala he Jena river ili hokhui laga training chipun waje I never asked. She asked me to go for a training. So, Skill India, we later underly PMKY. Chui wang ana trainers training the Jehovah train we train sami vai. Jan halaga na chada Jehovah the ikokatari vai. So that's where I got certified by the government of India. Chili khwai niya the ili hanglak logica very na kamong ji the show me money. God help those help themselves.
Yeah, exactly. The reason why I asked that is because in a nana train kasa na way courses being nana course loans kasa jithei la jang. So that's the reason why do you have a trainer's license or the certificate? Okay, now you have said that kana we training program we maramli can you throw some lights on that?
Iwi training hi ajukum COVID wangai na aksimang saya. So ibam samri the le sajine ka ajukum hi on request yang tata so now being na or khangte being na through social media on request samilak lo say jeda ila tata kyo ka kiang the safety guidelines je COVID wangai na kuilaga tata sawa saya ajakum kathumati si saya. So in total, I have like taught about 15 to 20 students. Normally.
Yes. Now we training like certification is done by Skill India. Katha we na kiklay sa laga tayap sa laga certification jatan na sami ka jika it is certified by any institution.
So right now, arriva jikajiva malay certified kasajiva itumli tada trainers training me by tada mi ka bai we chi you personal yang kha tada national ping tam hai tada freelance sa ka bai wang I just give an acknowledgement certificate.
Okay.
Tada tam khui ka chi proof yeah. But I'm working on that.
Okay. Any success stories of your trainee?
Oh yes, there are like couple of them who are he will feel he live in hangai baba doesn't know how to make contacts, yeah. Contacts sa khui the convince sa khui the laga thada niling so ka the adjust sa ka the ping na mahai mai ko he will feel he live because you have to build yourself, yeah. You have to put in so much effort and hard work because social media in like a very big platform. Jena ina thumli katam stay than he will matang li la tam stay how to build yourself ka ju matang hilia. Jena like I have few students who are working with a couple of movies rights now.
Can you repeat that one again? Because there was a voice crack.
Okay. So I have some students who are like working very well with some movie productions, and who are doing very good with brides, and personal they are growing, and I'm really glad and very happy to see them grow. Successful like you have to build yourself. You have to really work hard.
Can we give a shout out to them? I mean, or Insta so that we can let people know. Nah, I mean,
yes.
User account will provide.
Cindy Repum da.
Okay.
I see she's doing very well. Deep River, she's doing very good with brides. Pauli, I don't remember the surname, but she's also doing very good. And like Rose Shimzing, she has started working with some fashion shows and few brides. So it's really amazing to see others grow, like ila thada iwi te wo te hui tam hui je athumli impart sa milaga athumla kacha we self earn sa hui mili depend masala yang independent and linda khleje. It's like I feel good about it.
Okay. You have climbed up many beautiful brides and bridegrooms. Wedding seems to have become your specialization. Any specific reason?
No, it's not like specific salon wedding we specialized to. It depends on the kind of demand that people comes. The demand we requirement that I give out. And yes, so many brides they contact me via friends, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, so many. So it's just about the clientele demand.
And before we conclude, in a question, one is any like Imphali base you were in Delhi, your family was in Guwahati, and then now you're based out of Imphal. Any specific reason?
Yeah, I'm based in Imphal because my house is in Imphal.
Okay.
And Chile Delhi 2018 my mom got very sick, so I gave up my job and I thought I'll start like I said, family is always first. So I 2018 lim thala amawan sa tripa pamawe, but I got to spend time with her a lot of time, and I got to help her laga jitha and tada crewe na la ningli shim infali pamawe me freelance and how pok like bills are because yang lim pam ngai ni live a shim kahoji that home is where the heart is.
Yeah.
So I'm very happy to be here, very contented.
You have mentioned about how you came back to Nashavuli Shepong Sakfai or Shimkuling Sogpong, and then what many people also don't know about is about you and your dad's relationship. And I think every children deserve to know this, I feel. So can you share a little bit about that? Nashava, we health condition, Claire Dumley, and then how you, like, become the life-saving person for your dad.
I'm the only child of my parents. So so we're like a very small but very, very, very loving family. And I'm someone who can give up anything for my loved one. 2008 or was it 9? I think 2008. Kidney fails. I the Delhi Gangaram Hospital transplant. Saya kidney transplant. So eveningly, if I'm there, if my blood matches, kidney donate. So I'm a kidney donor to my dad. By God's grace, it's been now 11.5 years and he's doing very healthy. Of course, balanced diet healthy salad.
Your dad is such a
healthy
your dad is such an inspiration for all of us. We passion, and then especially his love for God is reflected in all his how we materially, how we witnessly, and his testimony. When I was in Delhi, he came for a second or third treatment. Testimony. I mean, I never forget that. And behind all this, you're the person. Nashavali na jita na we mirin chikat milga chiruli yang. It's so inspiring for all the children. Avava we na itum na kuchunga kada pokui ngai pokui laga avava kaknanga kazalan tanim sami kerji kuchungkle. So not only just that you have clam up many beautiful people, but inside you are such a beautiful person, and we sacrifice.
Thank you so much.
And it's inspiring. So thank you so much for your wonderful testimony as well. Last question.
Yes, thank you.
What's your vision and future plan? I
must say someday I want to have my own line of own makeup product line. Own makeup brush line. I don't know how long it's going to take, but I have started thinking a little bit about it. But yes, that's my vision. Maybe already makeup training because we have space here. So maybe a few years down the line, certificate maybe if I can link up with some government recognized certified and maybe dream goy, but it's never ending. My dream you want to achieve little by little. Something but these are the specific things right now that I have in mind.
Okay, thank you so very much, Awon. Thanks for coming to MEISUM, sharing your inspiring story to all of us, and wish you all the very best.
Thank you so much.
Comes true. Thank you, Awon.
Thank you so much.